So great news, we got some new equipment. It's a new adjustable squat box. Now, John, I'm not gonna lie to you, when you agreed to let me buy this thing, it looked a lot different in the pictures.
Yeah, I'm not seeing it. I mean, it says squat box on it, but
Yeah, right there, squat box. But you know what? Hey, professionals use this, so let's show you how it's done.
so Josh, you can be performing a box squat with our new fancy box squat. And there you go. You take a seat, gets rid of the momentum, and allows you to focus on your power from the bottom position. Now, one other good thing about this is a fully adjustable box squat. You can tell because you can flip it over to the side and it's a whole different size.
You guys realize that this is the box for the squat box, right? I mean, it's not even open.
Oh, that makes so much more sense.
Come on now.